x equals y squared over 4. And you're asked to make y the solid formula. Now feel free to pause this video and see if you can attempt it. Okay, so let's do it together. Firstly, you can do cross multiplication. So when you do, you're going to have 4x equals y squared. Remember, we want to make y the solid formula. So to do that, you square both sides. Right, so this square, we cancel the square root. We now left with y equals square root of 4x. But we not stop here. This is not the final answer because 4 has the square root. So all you have to do is separate the square root. Another way you can express this using the sort rule is when you separate the bracket, something else, square root of 4 times square root of x. Alright, so 4 has the square root and square root of 4 is what? 2. So our final answer will be y equals plus or minus 2 root x. Okay, so that will be the answer, of which usually we take the positive sign, which is 2 root x. Alright, but leave the answer like this. Okay, so that's how you can solve this kind of problem. Now let's wipe this and look at one more practice question, and after it we can call it a class. Okay, now what if you are given something like this? You have x equals y over y minus z. It has to make y the subject formula. As usual, okay, if we cross multiply, you're going to have x in bracket y minus z equals what? Y. I want to make y the solid formula. So when you simplify it, you're going to have xy minus xz equals y. Since we want to make x, our y rather, the subject formula, okay, so when you factorize, or before you factorize, let's collect like terms, very important. So when you collect like terms, you're going to have minus xz, or let's do it this way, so it will be at the safe side. So this y will cross over the equality sign here, and it will change to a negative y. So you're going to have xy minus y equals this minus xz will cross over, change the plus xz. So you're going to have xz. So at this juncture, let's factorize. When you factorize, you're going to have y in brackets x minus 1, right, equals xz. So finally, to make y the solid formula, divide both sides by x minus 1. So that's we're going to have y in bracket x minus 1 over x minus 1 equals xz over x minus 1. Okay, so this will cancel this, and finally our result will be y equals xz over x minus 1. So that's all for this question. This basically can deal with problems involving change your solid formula. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Now, if you are new to the channel, ensure you check the description of this video below for link to our Telegram channel. Click on it and join our Telegram channel for instant notifications. Also, ensure you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. For more videos like this, like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel. Want to learn from this class. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding this topic, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below. And I'll be sure to give you a response. Now, check the end screen above, click on it, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.